So bought this 2015 CBR600rr. It's totally wrecked. It's so messed up. But got a decent deal on it. It's a wrecked bike. Been looking for a wrecked bike to kind of rebuild as a little project. And I think this is a good little project to, start a little wrecked bike rebuild series or whatever it is. But yeah, this is the bike right here. Yeah, subframe completely snapped in half right there. Insane, dude. So crazy. Look, that's the rear peg bolt right there. Batteries just hanging there, cables. Exhaust is like all fucked up too. Got the gauge here. It does turn on. Right clip on is completely snapped off. These cheapo levers. These things are so trash, dude. The stupidest mod you could ever do is buying these $20 cheap ass levers. They're so trash. Look at that shit, dude. It's fucking garbage. But yeah, this side's not too bad. License plate bracket, tail light destroyed. The wheel is locked in. Rear caliper brake, or rear brake caliper. But yeah, look at that wheel. That's nuts, dude. That's insane. Some scratches right there. Fairings are trash. These are trash fairings anyways. These things look so ugly. I think they look so ugly. Fork seals need to be rebuilt. Rusty exhaust. Front fairing stay bracket. It's toast. Yep. Alright, that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on disassembling everything, taking everything off. Alright, so the easiest way to keep track of your hardware is Ziploc baggie, Sharpie, and just write where that hardware belongs, and boom. Next time you go to look for the rear peg hardware, you know exactly where it is and what it is. This dude had all the underglow wires. This shit is trash. Look at this shit. the rear subframe. That thing was completely snapped in half. Took off the rear wheel. As you can see, if you take a look at the rear wheel, I mean, dude. Yeah, that thing is just insane. Absolutely insane how wrecked that thing was. Yeah, so took off the subframe, took off just about all the fairings. Yeah, all the fairings are in there. That's kind of my trash bin right now. Yeah, took off the exhaust. The exhaust is trash. That thing is absolute garbage. Took off the right clip-on. Yeah, so I bought a new right clip-on. I bought some new wheels for this bike, some new tires, so that way I can throw this thing on the wheels and tires and clean it, because this thing is absolutely disgusting. I mean, look at that shit, dude. This thing is just, it's filthy. And this freaking moron, man, this previous owner like took some teal paint and just went to art class on it. Looks so bad, it looks so tacky. Look, it's even like on the swing arm, the brake line, like, dude, come on. Like, yeah, the previous owner was, I don't know, not the best owner. Yeah, it needs a new throttle tube. I bought a new throttle tube. I bought new levers because these levers are absolutely trash. These levers are so garbage. If you're buying these levers, these $20, $30 levers, you need I'm sorry, but you need to mature a little and just grow up and get some good quality levers, because you will not regret it. These are just trash. Could just be my personal opinion. I used to buy these things all the time when I first started riding on the street, and once I started riding on the track, dude, you do not want to use these things. These things are, yeah, trash. So anyways, moving on. So I also ended up buying some grips for the clip-ons. The levers, already said that. The front fairing support mount, or front fairing, front fairing support bracket, whatever it's called. Purchased that. That way I can get the headlights on and all that sort of stuff, and purchase the headlights later. Yeah, so that's about it for the things I purchased for this bike right now. I kind of just want to get this bike movable. I just want to put it on some wheels and tires. That way I can push it outside and pressure wash it and clean off all this junk or all this gunk and dirt, and then have a nice and clean bike to work on. Because working on a dirty bike, it sucks. Because when you're working on a dirty bike and you're putting new parts on, now those new parts are just completely dirty, and now you're stuck in this whole cleaning cycle of trying to keep things clean or just getting things dirty, and it's a nightmare. It sucks. So that's my biggest thing, is to just get it on wheels and tires right now, which I already purchased, and that'll be part of part 2 on this rebuild. But I mean, it's going well. It's honestly not too much work. But I mean, I just started, so we'll see where it goes. Should be fun. I think this bike is gonna look really good. I do. I think it's gonna look good when I'm all done with it. But yeah, that should be it for part 1. And yeah, thanks for watching.